As you know, Leona has not been a fan of sleeping in her own bed. But the last 2 nights she has wanted to fall asleep in her bed, but with me beside her. So I have to... I'm glad I'm pretty small, because it's... it would be hard otherwise. It's like 60 centimeters wide and 160 centimeters long. So I am falling asleep, but she's falling asleep when I'm lying there. So she sleeps there the first 2 nights only like for 1 hour. Then she has woken up and had so much cough. But it's still a start. I want to show you. That little cat you saw there with the light, I bought the night light on dollar store for like $2, and she loves it. It's actually the first night we use it, because she's very afraid of the dark, so I can never turn the lights down, and when I can't turn the lights down she never falls asleep. So I said that now we have this cat, so when we turn on the lights we can turn this cat on. She was really excited, and it worked like a charm. Sometimes my mind works brilliantly. I'm going to work today, and I'm gonna give Leona a ride to her father first, but we overslept because the night has been terrible. She has had so much cough and a really creepy sound afterwards. Insert here. So I'm gonna let her sleep until she wakes up, and I start later at work and later instead. I'm very tired. Very, very tired. I don't like her being sick, so I have been thinking like I need to get new recipes for her asthma medicine, like the stronger one, because we haven't been eating the fast working one in a while. But I have a little left, but the nights are fun right now, and now she's gonna be at her father's for 4 nights. And that will be good for her and for him. But I just feel like it's hard for me to not be with her when she's that sick and she sounds so bad in her sleep, and when she coughs and that. I of course get scared that something will happen to her, because if that would happen, like something happens to her, I would not make it, I'll tell you that. She just... That's my biggest fear in the world. That something will happen with her. Just because she's sick, nothing else. But, so I like being close to her so I can pick her up every time she stops breathing. I know Tobias will do a very great job at that too. It's not the fact that I don't think he will do a good job, it's just the fact that I can't be close to her when she feels bad. That's hard for me. But I'm gonna try to get ready so I can give her a ride to father's when she wakes up, and I'm gonna have to go to work. Oh, I really don't want to leave her. I get so much anxiety just thinking about it. What can I do? I can hug my tree here. My little Christmas plant I got from my friends. She's coughing and she's like, "Mommy," it's one of those days, and I can't meet her until Monday, and it's only Thursday. That's a hard feeling when she's sick. When she's not sick, I feel like she's having a blast. But when I know she doesn't feel well, I just want to be with her. I'm gonna be nagging about that in this vlog, obviously.
5 hours later.
Hi guys, I am going to have to end my vlogging everyday streak, I guess. Not the streak of me vlogging, but the streak of me editing, most likely. It's now 4:30 p.m. You can probably not see it on me, but I have a pounding headache. I want to vomit. I have a migraine. so I need to just go lay down before it gets even worse. So on my way home from work, I called Mom and said, can I come and eat at your place, because I can't make any food today. I wanted to show you, and I was going to use it today, but it won't happen. But when I got some money on PayPal, I often get like buy something for yourself thing on PayPal. I rarely like to buy myself things. I like to spend them on things to give Leona, like if she has a birthday or Christmas, or just something she needs, like warm gloves. I think I'm gonna buy some warm gloves for her if I find any good ones. But I thought, like, what do I need? I need a dryer, but that's too expensive. I would never buy myself a dryer like for my laundry, so that is out of the question. But then I remembered I've always wanted an air fryer to cook in, because before I thought the only thing I could cook in an air fryer is like fries, but you can actually do meatballs, you can do hamburgers, you can do fish sticks, you can do nuggets and all that. So you have a lot of things you can do with one of those, and I have a hard time cooking. I have a really hard time cooking. I rarely cook when I don't have Leona. When I have Leona, just frying and do all the steps it takes for making food is very hard for me, because I am already burnt out, but also it's too many steps, and then stand there and she pulls my leg and all that. Yeah. So I wanted an air fryer, so I looked it up. What's the cheapest air fryer I can get today? And I'm gonna go pick it up. So I found a cheap one that also was on sale. It's not like the best air fryer in the world you can have, but I think it will be enough for me, and I'm really happy I could buy it for myself as a Christmas gift. So oh, that had me scared. Probably a neighbor cooking. But it's just a little bit ironic that I just removed my own fire alarm and then heard it. Well, so yeah. So to help myself cook, maybe get myself to eat more, been able to cook better food for Leona, or at least more food. I thought that would be a good Christmas gift for me. It's something I wanted and something that can help my day-to-day life, which is amazing. So I'm very thankful to be able to buy it. This is the one I bought. I think it's so cute. It looks cute. I was going to make hamburgers and fries today in it, or hamburgers, but I've already eaten because I had to, and I couldn't cook anything, and I really need to lay down. So I'm very happy about the Christmas gift, and I just wanted you to know what I bought. So thank you. Now I'm gonna have to go and lie down and hopefully get rid of this headache. I guess I will put together this vlog today with tomorrow's vlog, because I don't think I can edit today, and I can't clean, which I need to do.
1 hour later.
I of course ended up in Leona's couch. Can't move. I need to. I'm actually gonna try to clean up in the living room and lay there for the rest of the night, because if I clean up in there, I will think that it is clean in my entire apartment, I guess, if I can. But every time I talk, it pounds in my head. I was going to say that I actually took a COVID test today, because I thought that Leona has been so really sick, and maybe this headache would be because of COVID, but thankfully it was not. hours later and my migraine is still alive and kicking. So I'm gonna go to bed for the night, but I need to show you something. Some people who have been following me a while knows I have a really terrible heel spur on both my feet. So after 1 hour at work, I want to scream because my feet hurt so bad. So I found this sock that I could buy from like through my workplace because I get pain by working. So I got it about that way. It's one sock for $50 more. Like $55. It's crazy. It looks like this. And I'm gonna try it now. It does not look comfortable. And then you're gonna sleep with it every night. I'm like scared to try this. As I understand, I put my foot in here like this. This is gonna stretch my foot, apparently. It's gonna stretch it like slowly every night for like 8 hours, and that way the heel spur someday will heal. The heel spur someday will heal. Spur. But it does not look comfortable. You're gonna put it like this, then you're gonna attach it here, right below your knee. Then you're gonna take this one and you're gonna attach it here. Pull this one like this. I don't know. And stretch. So I'm gonna sleep like this all night long with my foot. Does it look comfortable? No. But if it helps, I will be glad. But I feel right now that I will have a cramp here, so I guess I need to start a little less. Maybe not that hard. It already hurts here in my... So I don't know how good this will be for me. I'll probably be in a lot of pain. Maybe I need to do this. Maybe I shouldn't sleep with it now when I'm gonna work tomorrow. Like maybe start in the weekend. I think so. But I hope it will help. And I'm gonna have to change foot every other night because, well, both my feet hurt and I could only afford one sock. When I started editing, I was going to put December 2nd and December 3rd in the same vlog, but when I have edited December 2nd, I feel like it's 13 minutes or something. I don't need to do it longer. And we'll see if I edit 3rd and 4th together or just 3rd. I don't know. But this way I feel like will be better. So I end this vlog here. Yay! I'm so tired. I'm tired. Okay. And I'm a little bit insane. I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite part if you have any.